You won't believe these are real places on Earth. 7 of the most beautiful places in the world that feel almost unreal. From the Maldives, where crystal blue waters meet luxury floating villas, to Santorini in Greece, where white cliffs glow under golden sunsets. Bora Bora looks like a dream, a perfect turquoise lagoon surrounding a lush volcanic island. The Grand Canyon in the United States reveals millions of years of Earth's history carved in stone. In Australia, the Great Barrier Reef hides an underwater world full of color and life. Banff National Park in Canada shows frozen mountains reflecting in glass-like lakes. And finally, Kyoto in Japan, where ancient temples meet falling cherry blossoms in peaceful silence. A journey across Earth that feels like another planet. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.